We're sorry, the number you have reached is not in service. Please check the number or try your call again. This is a recording.
मा हामीले चाहिँ डाइनिङ आउट सेक्सन्सको लागि चाहिँ कम्पोनेन्ट बनाउने भनेर भनेको थियौँ एन्ड विल बी लुकिङ थ्रु इट हाउ आई मेड दिस एन्ड लेट इस एन्ड से यु द आइडिया है। अब यसको लागि पनि हामीले के गर्न सक्छौँ त, जेनरली यदि तपाईँ जोमेटोमा जानुभयो भने विल ह्याभ द डेलिभरी सेक्सन्स चाहिँ तपाईँले यो भनिसक्नु भएको छ। एन्ड नाउ वेन गोइङ इन डाइनिङ आउट र नाइट लाइफ विल प्रिटी मच सी द सेम थिङ दिस कलेक्सन्स है। सो टु मेक दिस common for both, we will be declaring it inside the common folder र if it is already said I'm a bit confused, यदि यो मैले अगाडि नै भनिसकेको छु भने that's okay, and if it is not set I'm just giving you a walkthrough है। हामी के गर्छौँ त collection भनेर बनाउँछौँ and collection will have this settings है, will have same pretty much same like the delivery जुन हाम्रो यो फर्स्ट सेक्सन थियो यहाँनिर जुन हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ pretty much something similar like this है। and yeah, that is it inside this, and we are having collections rendering out there in our dining out section right. It's तपाईले हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ we are just pretty much doing the same thing है। collections have a word and same thing we have a training this week and this 30 places we just typed our thing है। हाम्रो एपीआईले चाहिँ हामीले टाइप गरेका छौँ स्ट्याटिकली है। विल लुक इन्टु दिस collections and now after making these collections will go out in our dining out भित्र गयौँ भने चाहिँ हामीसँग यहाँनिर रहेको छ collection list and same thing for filters। मैले के चेन्ज गरेको छैन, you can make changes but yeah, pretty much the same. We have the ID, we have the title, we have the images and places. As you can see here is the places right, trending 30 places, and this is what it is defining about. And yeah, we have an interface for to prevent from error right. I'm just passing it as any, and same thing for filters. In dining filters we have this same filters icons after the collections है। त्यही भएर मैले चाहिँ यहाँनिर यो कलेक्सन्सलाई यहाँनिर पास गरेको छु। फाइन, सो वी आर गुड टु गो नाउ एन्ड दिस इज आवर डाइनिङ आउट है। डाइनिङ आउटको लागि पनि हामीलाई डाटाभित्र यहाँ चाहिँ डाइनिङ आउट डट टीएसएक्स हामीलाई डाटा चाहिँ त्यहीँदेखि लिएको छौँ फ्रम जोमेटो। दिस इज जस्ट फर एजुकेसनल पर्पज, डोन्ट स्प्याम इट है। so just use it for the educational purpose right. This is what we are getting from here and I have not made any changes है। मैले जुन चाहिँ मेरो डेलिभरी सेक्सनको लागि जुन एपीआई थियो मैले त्यसैलाई नै कपी पेस्ट गरेको छु। haven't made any changes. You can do it on your own। तपाईले डाटालाई चाहिँ लिएर चाहिँ त्यही अनुसार चाहिँ एक्सप्लोर गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ for more sections। so yeah, this is for the collection है। collection को लागि चाहिँ मैले डाइनिङ आउट चाहिँ यहाँदेखि लिएको थिएँ and this is from the Zomato again। and yeah, coming after this we have the filter list। so after filter list के छ त, you can see that after filter list we have the best dining restaurants near your place and we have these things right। so this is for again, this is again the same thing that we were looking previously in the delivery sections। so we'll just be copying pasting the same thing right। and yeah, let's just create the explore section, copy this and render everything inside that section either। I'm just copied that section and coming out of this, and we don't have explore section here, just keeping this importing this है। import गरेपछि चाहिँ we'll see instead of no tell it as a BRT, you can name anything है। मैले BRT नै राखेँ। and now if you go to these sections, I know my CSS is breaking, you can fix this out है। and you can see that our dynamic content है यो चाहिँ तपाईले यहाँनिर हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। you can fix it on your own है। CSS चाहिँ everything pretty much the same। yeah, this is it and the same thing will go for the night life। so there is nothing much difference है, तपाईले हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। so we'll be pretty much doing the same thing। so for this what I'm going to do is just go to my previous code and coming for the night life I'm just going to copy this pretty much same thing. As you can see, the same content is there, nothing difference. Hi, keep any difference China. Just going to nightlife and pasting the thing, right? Everything inside this. And yeah, I don't have the CSS, that why our copy the thing and come into the nightlife and paste it here, sorry, nightlife, and paste it inside, right? So we have the CSS and what it is breaking about. Okay, I think there is also a filter option coming into nightlife. We do not have the filters, we have the filter, right? And just call this out, explore section. Is it there? If it is already there, will not get any error. If it is not, okay, this is working fine. We have the thing, nightlife, everything is going great. And I think this is just for the nightlife, I guess. Yeah, nightlife. Not this is giving me this error, I think. Yeah, let me get prevent, and yeah, this should work. This is breaking. Okay, I will fix this out. We have this, we have just imported everything from there. We have common filters. Okay, we do not have filters. We have filters, so we do not have that. Common from filters, is it filters? Yeah, filters. And let's just see, we have dining out, everything is okay with that, and we'll be having, okay, nightlife is breaking, so we'll be looking into this nightlife. This is what our component. And yeah, coming into the home section, I don't see any error, everything looks great. This should work. Nightlife. This should do the job. Yeah, as you can see, this is doing the job. Yeah, every month pretty much the data is same. You can change on your own. So to get rid of this squiggly lines, I'm just pasting this TS ignore, Typescript ignore, right? And yeah, this is our complete Zomato clone. यो नै हाम्रो Zomato clone हुनेछ. And as you can see, everything is pretty much the same thing. Yeah, thank you for being here. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. And यदि केही बुझिएको छैन भने तपाईले comment down गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, comment down below. And yeah, you can see every code inside my GitHub repository, that is here, Anis Mandal 939. You can get this Zomato clone React Tauri. Inside this every code is pushed, right? You can go through this, clone, fork it and make some changes. You would like to contribute, just fork it and create a pull request. I will check it and make an updations. Yeah, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you liked it again. This was our Zomato clone, pretty much same like Zomato, right? We did our best, my best to make it for you for learning purpose. Yeah, thank you.